One.
Hi guys! For today's video,
Sarap ng ulam namin.
Sarap ng ulam ko. May isda kami.
Piniritong talong okra.
Piniritong talong at okra. Tapos, may pipino, cucumber. Tapos, adobong kangkong. Tapos,
may sibuyas, kamatis,
may sibuyas, tomatis na sausawan. Saka na guys, fish.
Check this one also, right? When you open the water.
Okay guys,
Let's open the water.
kamusta guys?
No, that is our
Fish.
Lamig tayo isda guys. Balog mo.
Yan na lang.
Lamig kayo. Budol pipe na. Mag-close ang lights. Ito na guys. Kangkong guys. Kangkong.
Ilan sa makaon ano boy ba?
Adobo may kangkong guys.
Mala, banana.
May banana di siya dala. Ha?
Mamalimpit na boy. Dala ang madala niya.
Baga nakikita ko karon guys. Yun na lang ko bang kamera.
Mana? Banana na.
Yes. Banana. All sweet.
Yeah.
Sinamot na yung guys. Bali niya ko Dia itong buhi.
Nagsabing kami guys.
Nagsabing pa kami guys.
Eat my lamb.
That's right.
Sausa.
Alright.
This one has small. What is it?
Jacket guys.
This one here, before here the problem now. I am this one. See, this one small. I like it. It has a big. I remove this one. This small. I hold.
Remove that one, my love. Oh.
Mabuta po pag mata na ko guys. Yan so guys.
I know it.
Sarap boy.
Ini kayo. Lamig yung okra. Okra.
Why you look at it? Run on that side.
No, like that, no. Surprise.
You eat lah. Sakay guys, kain tayo.
Ate na? Good.
Lik.
Atilin.
Pagka linggo.
Atilin.
I can. You can, na?
Little also.
Ate Helen. Who's your friend?
Yun na guys. Thank you kayo guys. Maraming salamat. Bye guys. Kabal ko kaon. Ako kabal. Say hi.
Hi. How are you? How are you? Online?